Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Thermometer dance on TikTok. It's an awesome dance created by Freak for JB. If you don't know who he is, go check out his stuff. I'll post his name somewhere here. So I wasn't actually planning on doing a dance tutorial of this TikTok dance because it was so fast, but now I see there's a slow version of the song on TikTok and everyone is doing it, including Charlie D'Amelio. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Jose, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a breakdown, and then we're gonna do a recap, and then we're gonna practice at the end. Alright, so let's get started. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So the first move I'm gonna show you is this one. Kick and kick, yeah? So what we wanna do is start with the right, say, and kick, step back, and then left to the side. All right, pretty simple. So right goes prep, kick, down, and left out. Let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and kick and step. 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick and step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick and step. Now obviously you can do it more advanced than that. You can say jump, 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 or bounce, bounce. All right, up to you. You can just go plain view. Arms go cross and out. Yeah, so you want to say cross kick and out. Yeah, let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross kick and out. From here, you want to kick the left that is out here. You want to say and kick, step, now right, out. All right, so it's from the tip to the top, right goes and kick, step, left, out, and left kick, and right, out. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go right and left, and right. And then you can also add the arms. Cross, out, out. Let's try that with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go kick and out and kick and out. Okay, so far we've done kick, step, kick, step. Now we want to move into the heel toe move. If you don't know how to do the heel toe move, I recommend to watch my detailed tutorial on how to do the heel toe move because that's going to make it a lot easier for the next few steps. Now, if you know how to do it, let's just move on. So the left is gonna go up on your heel, out to the side. Right is gonna come up on your toes, in like that. Yeah, all flat foot. Yeah, you know, you can do your heel toe like flat foot, or you can go up in the air like that. Up to you. All right. So kick, step. From here, you want to do heel toe to the left, and then you want to bring it back to the center. So like that. Now you want to go to the right side. So now the right is going to be on the heel, left is going to be on the toes, to the side, and then back to the center. All right. So let's just rewind a bit. We just did kick, step from here, moving to the left side, back to the center, and then to the right side, whoop, and then back. So now let's try and practice from kick, step. We're gonna go heel toe, back, heel toe, back. All right, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel toe, back, heel toe, back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel toe, back, heel toe, back. Now, if you want to just do the easy version, you can continue the heel toe. So kick, step. Then just put some counts on it. You want to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the easy version, right? And then you move on to the next step. Alright? But if you want to do the more complicated version like the creator does, so that is instead of here, the first heel toe, back, heel toe. Now from here you want to say prep to the front and to the back. Alright? That's the complicated version. So if you want to do the complicated version, let me just show you one last time. It's heel toe as normal, back, heel toe. Then from here you want to prep. So you want to say here, yeah, so the left is already preparing to go to the front, whoop, and then it goes to the back. Notice how the right is just saying, oh wait, boom, it's saying heel, flick heel inwards, flick heel outwards, flick heel inwards. So it's basically just doing wah, wah. Alright, so let's try again. Kick step, to the side, back, to the right side, prep, to the front, and to the back. Alright, so when you do it fast, it's gonna be kick step, it's gonna be whoop, up, and front, back. Alright, let's just try and practice one more time. If you're doing the easy version, just do the easy version. Alright, so from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel toe, back, heel toe, prep, front, prep, back. Okay, so far we've done kick, step, heel toe, back, heel toe, and front, and back. Now, from here, you want to say prep by taking the left up before you want to jump out with the left in the front. So, like that. Yeah? Jump out however you want. You can also do a small one. But I say the bigger the better. Yeah? Because we want to be able to move inwards. Yeah? So, let me just rewind. We just did heel toe here. You want to say prep with the left up before you say jump out, left in the front. Alright? So let me just show it from the side. Whoop! I just did heel toe, front, back, from here, up, jump. Yeah? And then you will just basically just want to say small steps, up, up, up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you want to switch. Now the right is going to be at the front. So you want to say out again. 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So I usually just bring both legs to the center. Yeah, so I'm going to show from the side again. So now they're both out. Now I'm bringing small jumps to the center. Alright, and then the other side. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I saw some people just do one leg. You can do it however you want. Yeah? So, right after heel toe, boom, boom, prep with the left, jump out, left in front, 2, 3, 4, and then right in front, 2, 3, 4. And the time is gonna be ka 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 ka. Yeah. So it's the first jump is gonna be on ka ka, and then ka ka, and then ka ka, and then ka ka. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just try it with me one time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after the jump parts, the last few moves are super easy. It's basically just going out and then in. So here, on your heel, flicking your toes out, and then the opposite, on your toes, flicking your heels out. And then last part, whoop, and then go back in, in. So I just do 1, 2, 3, back in, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's just try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And actually, there's no break, so you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, the very last move is just doing bounce, 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 bounce. And at the same time, you want to say lift up your foot, lift up here. Yeah, and I go side, up, side, up. Yeah, it's a groovy thing, so do whatever you want. Just notice how I punch down a little bit, yeah? That makes it more A. Alright? Alright guys, now let's do a quick recap of the full dance. So from the tip to the top, we want to say kick with the right. So kick and a step, now left, kick, and step. From here, heel toe, heel, back to the right, and front, and back. From here, left goes up and goes jump, 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 and then right to the front, jump, 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 jump. From here, we're gonna go up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then bounce, A, bounce, A. And let me just show you the easy version as well. So from the tip to top, it goes kick, out, heel toe, back, heel toe, back, heel toe, back, heel toe, prep, left top, 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 right top, top, top. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bounce and up, bounce and up. Now the timing goes. Not the thermometer, not the thermometer. Tap, 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 tap. Brr, brr. Hey, 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 hey. Alright guys, time to practice. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Not the thermometer, not the thermometer. And let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Not the thermometer. Not the thermometer. Cat, 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 cat. Brr, brr. A, and. Okay, guys, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not the thermometer. Not the thermometer. Cat, 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 cat. Brr, brr. And alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the not the thermometer TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.